Hi guys, and welcome to Card Making with Crystal. Today I'm going to show you how to make this really cool pocket house card. It's perfect for someone who just purchased a house or for a real estate agent who has a closing in a house. My friend is a real estate agent. Hi Katie! And she gives her clients this when they close and they absolutely love it. So let's make it. Hi guys! This is everything you need to make the base of your card, and let's get started. Let's take one of these and make them look pretty. We're going to put these aside. You're going to take this piece of paper, which is 4 1/4 by 3 5/8, and we're going to emboss it with this embossing folder. So beautiful. You're going to take this piece, which is 4 7/8 by 2 inches, and you're just going to mark a 1/4 inch on each side. You're going to put them together because there's two pieces, and we're going to cut from here to the end. And the other side. Now we're going to bring in our scoring board, and we're going to score one of these straight to the edge every 1/4 inch. So you're going to 1/4, a half, until it looks like this. So we have this and this, this and this, and this and this. Let's put these aside and let's build our decorations for the house. I have this piece of paper, and you can see that I've been cutting things out of it, but we want to get this cut at 1/2 inch. And then we're going to cut it at 4 1/4 inches. Perfect. Let's build our windows. For our windows, it's really simple. We have window treatments, the window, and the light that'll be on inside the room. We're going to stick our window treatments to the back of our window like so. So cute. And the other side. That's one window. Let's make 3 more. And we have 4 windows. They're so cute. All of the accessories for this house came from this die set. You'll see the window is here, the back end of the window is here, and everything I'm using right now came from this die set. I would link it in the video description box. Let's build our door. This is everything we need to build our door. This 1-inch circle did not come with the die set, but I liked the feature, so I added it. I'm gonna take this and put it in here and cut it at 1/2 inch. And now I'm gonna build this. Now to build this, I like to put it on a base. So I'm gonna get a piece of printing paper that's not cardstock, just to build my door on. It's gonna, see, I'm making sure it's smaller than the actual door itself. And I'm just gonna round the top so that I can put that top part on it as well. Right, and let's get to building this door. I'm building it on this base here. And for the top of my door, I made these tiny little windows. And these came from a completely different die set. I'm going to show you, and I will also link it for you. So don't laugh at me, but these came from this die set, which is amazing. It's a Horse and Carriage for like a princess card, and I got these from the inside. So just from the, you see these 3 here, I made it and I realized this was the perfect size. So I'm going to design that and do it now. And that's our door. I have a little cute chimney. The details on this die set is just amazing. And I have a hedge, which I'm going to do it like this. So I'm going to double it like this. And then I'm going to put the fence in front of it. So I think we have everything. Let's put this card together. We're going to start by sticking this onto this. Now, in order to stick this on, I'm going to line this up on my craft mat like this, where it's equal. And I'm going to put this at the side so I can see where it's ending here. Then we're going to design where we want this piece. So the glue is down here. We want this to end maybe right here. So this should be stuck down here. I'm going to make a mark. And that tells me where to put my glue. So I'm going to put glue. We're going to rest this here and we're going to decorate our house. So I'm making sure I'm centering this. So you see how there's 1.5 inches here and 1.5 inches here. So that's it perfectly centered. I'm going to leave my ruler down here. Take up my and that's your pocket house card. How cute is this? Thanks so much for joining me while we made this pocket house card. I linked all of the die cuts in the description so you could make one too if you'd like to. If you like this video, make sure and give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any content, and stay crafty, my friends. It's so cool.